Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Terry Spates with Location Realty. Today I'm excited to share with you a first quarter market update for South Florida. I'll dive into the current market trends, what it means for buyers and sellers, and look at what you can expect in 2025. Recently, I came across a striking report from the National Association of Realtors featured in NPR revealing that 2024 marked the slowest year for existing home sales in nearly 3 decades. Let's take a closer look at what's driving this trend and how it's impacting our local market. Economists point to high mortgage rates, rising home prices, and low inventory as key factors behind the sluggish existing home sales in 2024. So why is inventory still so tight despite all the new construction that's going up around us? Well, it's simple. Many homeowners are holding on to their 4% or below interest rates and are reluctant to give them up for a higher mortgage payment. And who can blame them? Now, the Federal Reserve did make some cuts. In fact, the rates dropped around 6% back in September, but not for long. They quickly bounced back up to 7% overall, averaging around 6.7% for the year. So the rates did not go as low as we'd all hoped for in 2024. But here's the surprising part. Despite all the challenges, home prices nationally continue to rise over the past 5 years. In fact, the median home price hit a record high of approximately $400,000 in 2024, which experts believe is driven by strong sales at the high end of the market. In some South Florida markets, the median home price is even higher. The December 2024 report showed that in Miami-Dade County, the median sales price for single-family homes was $675,000. In Broward, it was $620,000. Palm Beach, $622,500, and Martin and Port St. Lucie came in at the lowest at $420,000. So high interest rates, rising home prices, and affordability is still a major issue, especially for entry-level home buyers. So what does all this mean to you? Well, let's first talk about what's happening for buyers. Buyers have a lot of pent-up demands. They've been waiting for prices to drop or interest rates to decrease. However, many experts believe it's unlikely we'll see the rates drop back down to the historic lows of 2020 and 2021. For buyers, it's a matter of adapting to the new normal interest rates or wait on the sidelines in hopes of a rate decrease. But here's the thing. Buying a home often makes more financial sense than renting, especially in the long run. One of the biggest benefits of home ownership is that homes tend to appreciate in value over time. And even with high interest rates, real estate values can continue to rise, making a home a potentially lucrative long-term investment. Plus, if the interest rates drop significantly in the future, you can always refinance your mortgage to a lower rate, reducing your monthly payments. The good news, inventory is finally starting to loosen up with more homes hitting the market, giving buyers a wider range of options to choose from. Plus, new construction offers a great alternative since builders are rolling out enticing incentives to attract buyers. These incentives include lower prices, mortgage rate buydowns, free or discounted upgrades, and options for smaller, more affordable homes. Meanwhile, in some markets like condo and townhomes, especially on the coastal areas, they're facing some unique challenges. In the wake of the Surfside condo collapse, new regulations have been put into place to ensure condo association accountability and safety. And while these measures are crucial, they've led to increased costs for condo owners. We're seeing property insurance premiums spike for all homes, insurance companies revising or dropping policies, leaving Florida homeowners with fewer options for insurance coverage. Hopefully this year we'll see more companies come back to Florida, giving homeowners more options than Citizens, which is known for the state's insurer of last resort for Florida homeowners. We're also seeing a significant increase in HOA and assessment fees. to cover the reserve requirement compliance. I bought a condo in a 55 plus community in Delray Beach during the summer of 2023. It'll be 2 years this summer, and the HOA fees have almost doubled what it was when I moved in. These fees now are almost as much as the mortgage itself. And it's factors like these that are causing some buyers to think twice about buying older condos and townhomes. In fact, the numbers show that condo and townhome sales have experienced a significant decline over the last few years. In some cases, you may be better off with a new build townhome or condo than buying an old one that's cheaper but have issues or high assessments. So whether you're a seasoned buyer or just starting your journey, I'm here to help you find your dream home and make the process as stress-free as possible. Now let's shift our focus to what's happening for sellers. One major factor is the locked-in effect. Many homeowners are reluctant to sell because they don't want to give up their low interest rates. However, those who do decide to sell, the market is becoming increasingly competitive. With more homes hitting the market, sellers, you will need to be more strategic about pricing your home, taking into account the current market conditions. To stay ahead of the competition, it's essential to prepare your home for sale. February and March are ideal months for sellers to get ready. Start by organizing important documents, work on repairs, declutter and stage your home, enhance the curb appeal, and price it competitively. By doing so, your home will be ready to hit the market strong come spring. And lastly, there's a lot of speculation and uncertainty about how the new administration's proposed policies may affect the housing market. We don't know yet if or how these policies will impact the housing market, but what we do know is that tariffs can have far-reaching effects on various industries, including new construction and home improvements. So what's on the horizon for this year? Here's the outlook. Moderate growth driven by steady demand for housing, an uptick in home sales as buyers adapt to the current market. Ongoing affordability challenges, especially for entry-level buyers. Now that's a wrap for our Q1 South Florida market update. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or need guidance on navigating the local market, I'm here to help. So whether you're buying, selling, or relocating to South Florida, please don't hesitate to reach out or share my contact information with anyone who may need assistance. Let's connect soon.